Hello guys, my name is Larry. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Many of you follow me on a lot of my videos, and a lot of it's wood related. There's some other stuff also included, but however, you know that I've got a couple of videos out there with these old Chinese chainsaws, and I've had this one for quite some time. Now my old dog in the background probably gonna make a little noise. The wind's blowing about 30 and 40 miles an hour with gusts, so we'll try to keep the noise down if we possibly can. Anyhow, I had some problems with this thing right here. The back of it, this is the original one, and the back of it finally gave me some issues right here in this area, the tensioning. And you can see this old piece here is broke out. This part here is broke out where you can't adjust the chain. So I tried to figure a way to fix it and can't. Tried to buy a replacement exactly like what I have, which is that one. Couldn't find one, so I had to go to the next best thing. I found this one, and if you flip these over on the back side, they're pretty much identical on the internal parts, it looks like at this point. Now I haven't tried it, but so far it looks like at this point it's pretty much the same. So what I am going to do is I'm going to go right over here, cut this off right at an angle like right there. Now it ain't gonna be pretty as this one is, like it was when it was brand new. However, I think it might work. The old chainsaw itself, man, it's a beast. It just keeps on cutting. There's a picture of the outside of it. Now I had another one similar to this, had a cover issue, a pull start problem, and I fixed it by buying a part. No, you gotta stop barking. Hold on a second, I'm gonna throw the dog a bone, so she'll leave me alone. There she goes. She got to go chase that ball. That's a crazy dog. You see over there, we got us a rainwater tank. We're going to start working on that next couple of months and start shooting some videos on that too. We're tired of paying this $200 water bill out here in our water area. For our water out in this water district. Got another old tote there we're going to use for a primary tank. But anyhow, kind of got off the subject there. But yeah, we're going to cut that off. We're going to see if we can make that work on this old chainsaw. So I'm pretty fond of that old saw. I like it a lot. That $105 chainsaw done lasted me a long time. I'm going to replace the bar. But anyhow, let's get to it. Let me see if I can cut this off, and let's see if this is going to work. Y'all stay tuned. Well, at this point, all I've done was taken that little old bitty die grinder right there. Die grinder. Listen to me. Angle grinder with a thin cutoff wheel. It's a DeWalt now. I like my old DeWalt, Makita. I like my old Makita tools, and I like DeWalt too. But anyhow, about all I can afford anyhow. On Social Security, right? But anyhow, back to what I was telling you. All I did was I kind of cut this off at an angle, just like you see on this other one over here. And it's not pretty, but kind of resembles the other one a whole lot, right? I ain't got that rolled over fancy pretty edge, but I'm not too concerned about what it looks like. All I worry about is it's going to cut real good, and I think it will. So let's put it in place and see if it's going to work now. I know what you're saying, man, why don't you clean that crap up before you put it back together? Well, I figured I'd shoot that part of the video because I know that darn well a lot of y'all out there going to say, man, he just throwing all that stuff back together, it's all nasty and dirty. No guys, I did blow it off a little bit. Okay, now let's keep going. Well guys, I got it on there, and it's not the prettiest thing in the world, but if you're looking for pretty and you're out there working in the woods and with a chainsaw and cutting logs, you're in the wrong business. You want pretty, you need to go to a club. I guess that's where you find pretty stuff, but I'm too old to be looking at pretty stuff anymore. I barely take care of what I got at home. Now, we got the old saw here. Now let's see if I can get this thing started, try to get you a shot of it. She usually starts about the first couple of pulls with no problem. Let's see what we got here. I don't know if I'm going to have it on camera or not. Oh, saw pretty fake. See, let me turn the switch on. Yeah, I know you're saying, well, you should have warmed that thing up before you start jerking the throttle on that thing real hard. Well, it had already been warmed up before I took it apart, so ain't no problem there. But anyhow guys, you can take one of them old covers, or I guess you call it slack adjusters, just cut the end of it off. You need to get by like I did, and it'll help you out some, I believe. Next thing I'm going to do is get that old file over there and try to get them teeth a little sharper on it, because we're going to run the old saw tomorrow evening, I think, a little bit. Well guys, I hope this helped you a little bit. You know, we way out here in the country, and to order something it probably takes 4 or 5 days to get here. You go to the store, they ain't never got it. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Hit the like and subscribe button. We're going to be putting out a bunch more videos, especially on rainwater harvesting and old sawmill. Working on one of them. Been working on it a while, but my old health kind of slowed me down a little bit. But stay tuned for our next videos. Hit the like, subscribe. Thanks for watching.